Hello everyone. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create an HDR from a scene. First of all, you need to change the current library to User Library, which is where you can save your backgrounds. Let's create a new category inside the User Library. Categories are needed to save the background. If you've already created one before, you can use one of them. Make sure you set the save type to Panorama 360. This allows you to take a 360-degree render image. Press Add 360 Cam on cursor. This will place a sphere on the cursor. This sphere will be exactly the point of view from which the 360 image will be made. The height of the sphere above the ground should be approximately the height of a human's eyes. The center of the sphere is the exact point of the camera. Now we are ready to render, and we can press the Panorama Save button. Let's choose a name for our background. We can decide the HDR image size. The higher the resolution, the longer it will take to render. It is also allowed to enter an integer number. For example, 8 will be equal to 8.192 to 4.096, therefore 8K. Use denoising. It is necessary to have a noise-free image. The render sample is used to quantify the steps. The higher the number of samples, the better the render will be. This greatly affects rendering times. Right now I will be using 128 samples. When ready, press OK to start rendering. This tool will automatically use the GPU. In case the GPU doesn't have enough memory to render the image, it will automatically set the CPU. Obviously the CPU will be slower than the GPU. In the video example, the rendering is done on a computer with a GPU GTX 1080Ti and a CPU Ryzen 7 3700X. When the render is finished, the window will display the message. Don't close it before the message. Now, in our user library to our category, we would have the newly created HDR available. It can be used like any other HDR in the library. You can also use it to project on the dome as well. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to stay updated on new videos.